Go ahead and open up a couple boxes because I haven't seen the new ocean camo. I know they were already done, but I haven't seen it in person because we made a few changes, and this is not last year's material. This is the new vapor material that's a little bit cooler in the sun. It's like that Under Armour cool fit type of stuff, but we have our own version of it here called Vapor. Yeah, I can tell the difference. The blues are a lot brighter, and I can see the difference in the vapor material just staring at it. So yeah, this is awesome right here. And I haven't seen the lime green in person or the orange, so I know it's a lot brighter in those pictures. So let me get a video of that for you guys. So here's the lime green. I haven't seen these yet, so let's open up this box. Different boxes. Whoops. Okay, yeah, these are way brighter in person than they are in the pics. So definitely gonna be happy with these. This matches that Kawasaki green. The picture looks kind of dull, the initial ones we put up. But yeah, they always look 10 times better in person, but never saw these because solid colors, I really don't have to see. I can see the material, I had a swatch. But yeah, this looks awesome in person. So let's move on over to the orange over there. Yeah, much better. This is orange. I don't know why some people thought it was yellow, but it's a bright orange, kind of like mandarin, but it looks way brighter in person than it did in those pics. I knew that, but I know it's hard for the customers to understand that. But trust me, it looks awesome in person. So if you have that school bus yellow, millennium yellow, or whatever it is for the Seadoo RXP or the rxtx, yeah, this is gonna look great on there. This won't match it perfect, but this looks better than riding around with a yellow one. So anything with neon or this orange in it would look good for that model. Also, the orange GTI or the orange Tricks, the orange Spark, any of those, just look awesome with that. I've never seen the neon and purple in person. I saw the first rendition before we changed to go to a deeper purple. So let's see how it came out. The deeper purple was an awesome decision because the other one had like a Barney purple. I put them side by side at some point so you can see the comparison. But this is why we prototype and test things. And the vapor material, it looks really good. It's a really, really close match to the purple, and the neon yellow is spot on. So yeah, this one's gonna be a classic right here. It's gonna be a one-off, just like the ski was just done in 1 year. We're only doing this one round, so when these is gone, they're gone, because there's not enough of them out there for us to keep doing it. But yeah, this is gonna be one of my favorites here. I have to keep one of these for myself. Let's open the abstract camo. Never seen that in person. This one was examined by Customs, so we're all good. Obviously, because it's here. If anything was bad or fugazi, it would have never made it here. Oh man, yeah, this is awesome. I kind of made this one on the fly because people like the orange abstract, but man, this looks hot. This is almost hotter than the red camo by itself. It's a lot brighter than it was in that picture. All the red looks faded in the picture because I don't know what type of cameras they use in the factory, but it's very bright and vibrant in person. So yeah, I might be rocking this one myself with my triple black. This one looks really hot.